Don't film that. These are my winter blues. I want it to be summer. I have a cocktail umbrella. I have a pineapple. I just really wish summer was here. So I need to make a cake that makes me think of summer. To make this Pina Colada mega cake, I baked 3 round coconut cakes, my favorite. And before I baked them, I folded in some crushed pineapple. These cakes are baked and cooled, so I'm gonna remove them from their pans, level them, and cut off the caramelization from the bottom. 2 of my cake pans I baked with more batter and one's a little lower. So for those higher cakes, I'm gonna cut them into 2 layers each. Now I have a total of 5 layers of cake. The thing I like about Pina Coladas is they come in like a really distinct glass, right? It's like, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking I might wanna carve this cake just slightly so it feels even more like a Pina Colada. I hope I don't regret this. I pretty much want my cake to be a little more sort of bulbous and round at the bottom and then indent a bit and come out again at the top. Okay, this is looking good. I'm happy with the shape of my cake, so I'm gonna pull the layers apart and simple syrup. Boy, is Sir Squeeze in for a treat because I'm using pineapple simple syrup. Now, you know what else is in a Pina Colada, don't you? Rum. Sir Squeeze, I need to make sure though, you are 19, right? Okay. Oh, okay, I don't need ID, no problem. Oh yeah, is that enough? Nah. Let's do this. I always think about maraschino cherries as a garnish on a pina colada, but I'm chopping some up to put inside my cake. I think it will add a great punch of color. And as I go along, any of the like more perfect larger ones I find, I'm putting aside for the top of my cake. It's time to make Pina Colada buttercream. So I have Italian meringue buttercream. I have some crushed pineapple that I strained really, really well. And if you want to, you can squeeze it through a cheesecloth. You just want to get rid of all the moisture that you possibly can. And then I have my cream of coconut, and this is how I make coconut buttercream. So I always like to flavor my buttercream to taste. So first, I'm gonna add some crushed pineapple. Just stir that in. And now I'm gonna pour in my cream of coconut. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to fill this cake. I'm filling and stacking my coconut pineapple layers with a layer of maraschino cherries for color, and then I'm going to dollop in my coconut pineapple buttercream. It's coconut pineapple inception. Coconut pineapple cake with coconut. Well, I should just call it pina colada. Pina colada cake with pina colada butter. Should I have put rum in the buttercream?
Yes, yes, do that. Do that.
You know what? I'm gonna put the rum in the buttercream on the outside because I don't want to soften this anymore. I would, trust me. I'm piping an Italian meringue buttercream fence first because I don't want those maraschino cherries to pop out the sides. I'm actually hoping these will stain the cakes because that will look so pretty when I cut it.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, much better than on my fingertips. I'm gonna crumb coat with some Italian meringue buttercream and a little bit, I don't wanna waste this pineapple buttercream, so I'm gonna crumb coat the top. I'm straining some more crushed pineapple. I just wanna get out all of the juice, and believe me, look how juicy it is. Look how much juice is in it. And what I wanna do is put it into this mini food processor and blend it. and then mix that into my buttercream. So it's not really blending, so I've come up with a plan B. I'm going to put my creamed coconut in here. It just needs some liquid to get it going.
Yeah, it's not doing anything. Can you press the button now?
No.
Will it splash everywhere?
No, they make it so that you physically can't do it.
Ah.
Not because of the splashing, because you could cut your finger off, like if you put your hand in there. So this new Pina Colada buttercream is smooth. Blended pineapple, cream of coconut, and rum. I just want it a bit smoother because you know how a Pina Colada is like a blended drink. So that's how I want the outside of the cake to look. Okay, this is looking good. Oh my God. It tastes just like a Pina Colada.
Can I taste it too?
No.
Oh.
Okay, fine.
Really? Yeah.
It tastes like a Pina Colada, right?
And buttercream. Mm.
The crumb coat is chilled, so now I want to ice this cake. I'm using my Pina Colada buttercream. It's very important to keep all the curves. I say important, but it's going to be difficult. So now I want to ice this cake using my invention, and I want to get this as smooth as possible. Okay, time to chill. Who's ready to make a straw?
Yeah!
That was amazing.
Straw time!
This is amazing. I have no one to tell to leave that in. Leave that in. I'm making a straw for the top of this drink. It's not actually functioning. So I have some I don't even remember why I have this color gum paste, but it's like a dull yellow. And basically I'm just gonna roll it out nice and thin and cover this dowel with it. And then, after it's dry, I will paint it gold. So I know this is not that exciting, but we are gonna make it exciting. Now this is a gold straw.
But you didn't paint the entire thing.
This part's going in the cake. I'm not wasting my gold. What is the matter with you? I'm gonna ice this cake once again and try and get it as smooth as possible. Sometimes if there's too much condensation under your buttercream, it just feels like it is lifting off the cake. So I'm just gonna keep working with it and mostly scraping it away. Chill it and I'll go back and ice. I wanna know what everybody's favorite cold drink on a hot day is. Maybe you're having one now because it's a hot day for you. That's very nice for you. What are you drinking in Australia? Let me know. Well, yeah, that's true. There's gotta be a ton of drinks I don't even know about. Enlighten me. There is no traditional Canadian drink. Am I wrong? Or am I a bad Canadian?
No, I think you're right.
Here we just drink maple sours, imagine. This is my favorite part. It's time to decorate this cake and turn this ceramic vase into a pina colada. I have some pineapple gummy candies. Look how cute they are. Subscribe. This little pineapple wants you to subscribe. Please. Okay, so I think I'm gonna line these up around the base of the cake. And that way, no one will see my non-slip mat. I need to cut a slice of pineapple to garnish our drink. I wanna cut the thickest piece of the pineapple, the widest piece. Okay, here's what's tricky. I need this pineapple to look like it's attached to the edge of a glass. So what I need is to cut along this same curve so it rests right up against it. So I need the cake to face me while I garnish your drink. I'm like your bartender. When I'm done, I'll serve it to you. This is amazing. I feel like pina coladas are drinks people buy mainly for the garnish.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
I can see that.
It would be unacceptable without a garnish. Is it good?
So good.
Oh my gosh, I love this drink. I want to drink it. I decorated the outside of this cake entirely with Italian meringue buttercream because it's my favorite. You've seen me use it on most of the cakes on this channel, but I know some of you are still struggling to master the recipe because it can be tricky to make. So I've decided to host a live baking tutorial where we will make Italian meringue buttercream together and I will walk you through it step by step. Join me on Wednesday, March 25th at 6 p.m. EST. You have until March 18th to sign up. Spots are limited, so click the link below to reserve a spot for yourself.
Oh, there's a snowstorm outside, Yolanda.
Orhan, you're killing my vibe. It was good while it lasted. Thanks for joining me. I will be back next week with a new cake, and if you need more cake in the meantime, click here and here.